In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci circles for your trading analysis. Whether you're new to this technique or just in need of a refresher, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to apply Fibonacci circles to interpret market movements. So let's dive right in. To get started, open the chart where you want to apply your analysis. Choose the specific asset and time frame that you're interested in studying. This initial setup is crucial. It determines the context in which you'll be applying the Fibonacci circles, so make sure it aligns with your trading strategy or analysis goals. Next, you'll want to find the Fibonacci circles tool. Head over to the left toolbar of your charting interface. Look for the icon that represents Gann and Fibonacci tools, which resembles a diagonal line adorned with dots. Upon clicking and holding this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, select the one labeled Fib Circles. You might also see it referred to as Fibonacci Circle every now and then. Either way, that's your cue that you're on the right track. Having selected the tool, it's time to set your anchor points. This is a critical step, as it frames the scope of your analysis. Choose a starting point on your chart, typically a significant swing low or swing high. Click once to anchor this initial point. From here, drag your cursor to establish the endpoint, ideally positioned at an opposite swing high or swing low. Let go of your mouse button, and you'll see the circles materialize on your chart as if by magic. Now that you've placed your Fibonacci circles, it's important to fine-tune their levels and appearance to better suit your analysis and visual preferences. Double-click on the circles to open the Settings window. Here, under the Inputs tab, you have the option to customize the Fibonacci ratios. You can add or remove specific ratios like 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and others to reflect the nuanced patterns you think might emerge in the market. Meanwhile, don't forget about the Style tab. This is where you can modify the aesthetic elements of your circles, change the line color, make adjustments to the thickness, or control which specific lines are visible. These adjustments can help you achieve a clearer, more personalized charting experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Fibonacci circles for market analysis. Remember, the key to mastering this tool lies in practice and adaptation to your trading style. Keep experimenting to find what works best for you. Feel free to replay this guide as needed, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.